Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a ring in MatrixGold. So the first step is to choose our ring rail. Once we have got we confirm it. Next we are gonna pick the gemstone we want and set its size. In this case I'm going with a 2.8 mm stone. Then we will move it up above the ring rail. Next, we need a guide curve. So depending on how thick you want your prongs to be, you can offset your ring rail. In my case, I'm using the offset curve command and setting it to 1 mm because I want my prongs to have a thickness of about 1 mm in this area. Next, we need two guide curves to create the prongs. After that, we are gonna select the arc tool, mark the first and second point, and then set the third point to define our curved shape. Now we have got our arc shape, but before editing it, let's rebuild the curve so we can easily adjust and edit its form. Now we are gonna move this arc right in the middle of those two guidelines so that when we create the pipe later, it doesn't stick out from the ring rail. Okay, now let's go ahead and create the pipe. For the tip of the prongs, I'm setting their diameter to 0.9 mm, and for the middle part 1 mm. You can use the same size all the way if you want, but personally I think this variation makes it nicer. So now we are gonna place the prongs in the right position and then mirror it to the other side. Alright, now let's arrange this all the way around the ring. Go to the transform tab and choose polar array. And now enter the number of copies you want. Try to find the right number you need. Okay, The spacing between the stones should be at least 0.15 millimeter. So we will try adjusting the points on our line so that the tips of the prongs meet each other. The shape of the prongs will follow the curves. If it doesn't work for you, it's probably because your history record isn't on, or you have broken the history at some point before. Okay, now we need a piece between the stones. First, draw a rectangle in the correct position and then we will extrude it. Make sure to select solid in the command bar. Okay, now we need to fillet the edge of the piece, actually chamfer edge. For this one I'm using 0.20 millimeter. Make sure the edge doesn't touch the stones. Okay, let's array it to the same number as the stones. Alright, and that's our ring. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video or want to see more, leave me a comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe.